got this TRX right now. That's what it sounds like before. What do you guys think of these TRXs? They are badass trucks. If I could say myself, it is beauty. She is a beauty. All right, guys, this is the TRX. This is what it sounds like before. It's got a nice tone to it, but nothing crazy. It's not too loud. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99, so it peaks at 100 basically. All right, guys, 2022 Ram TRX. Look at this hoss. What a beautiful truck. I'm getting one, guys. I have to get one. Anyways, back to normal life. Factory converter. Then fat X-pipe. Dodge's version of an X-pipe. It's huge. Then what we did is put some CARVEN TRs. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. The part number on the CARVEN TRs are right there. CVET R25 or 3.0. If they get the wrong box. But this should be a 3.0. Anyways, here it is right there. There they are, 2 CARVEN TRs, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then True Dual continuous 3-inch. Then we kept the resonators on it, there and there. They're like that, as you guys can see. So they go all the way back on the pipe. There's 3 of them total, if you guys didn't know. And then they're finished off with 5-inch angle cut tips. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. And guess what, guys? This is a special one. It's hybrid. He says he gets 22 miles a gallon. No, man. Just from the sticker. From the tag. It's not hybrid, but it's a joke. So it's funny though. The first ever TRX hybrid. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. What do you think? Perfect? Yeah. Not crazy loud, not crazy. See, when you get on it, it opens up, you know? Yeah, that's perfect. CARVEN TRs. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. That was barely hitting 99 before. At the peak, now it's 107. That's good. Wow, that sounds deep. I like it. No, it's clean. Such a beautiful truck, man. If you want it louder, then we take the resonators off. There is resonators in the back, and it'll make it another about 7 decibels.
Go a little higher.
Yeah.
How much does that cost? Do you cover it or do you take it off?
We take them off.
Take them off?
Yeah.
And all it is basically just lets it go straight out?
Let it throw it out, yeah, instead of going through the little baffles. Let you guys hear on the inside. TRX. That's what I need, man. I need that. As much as you need a charger, I need a TRX. Yes, but I want to make it a hella fat, 1,000 horsepower. I need this in my life, guys. Please tell me you agree. If you agree, write it in the comments. Say you need this. There it goes. Definitely need that in my life. And it's going away. What am I gonna do with myself? People help me. You can still hear it. People help me. What am I gonna do? I need this in my life, guys. Donate to the TRX fund.